update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note, and in the first half of the trading session we saw a selling pressure emerge once again from yesterday's trading session. However, the Nifty took support around the 8850 level, around that level, and spotted a sharp pullback from that level. It had ultimately ended the day on a positive note of 15 points. The market breadth was negative though, with 738 advances to 752 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, TCS, Ultratech, Cement, Infosys, Tata Motors, Hindalco were on the losing side, while HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Sun Pharma and Ranbaxy closed the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that after yesterday's selling pressure from the high of 9119, the Nifty has found support near 8850. That is almost down to almost say around 270 to 80 points kind from the high. Now this is the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can clearly see that the fall has been a clear 5-wave decline on the downside. Now the next thing post a 5-wave decline is that we will get a retracement of this fall, and post that the next leg on the downside should resume. So considering this fact that we have a clear 5-wave decline on the downside, and now we are getting a clear bounce back from the day's low or from the levels of 8850. Now this bounce should be utilized to initiate short positions. Now the short position should be initiated around say 9017 or 9063. That is the 50% to 61.8% retracement area. So that is a level around which traders can initiate short positions on Nifty with a stop loss placed at the high of 9119. So this becomes a very favorable trade setup for traders on the Nifty. So traders should initiate this bounce to execute short positions on Nifty and not to initiate long positions. So short position should be initiated at resistances. Resistances are placed at 9017 and 9063. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 8916 and 8790. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has closed in the positive. It saw a bounce from the lows of the day. However, on the hourly charts of Bank Nifty as well, we can observe a clear 5-wave decline, and post this we generally get a retracement of the fall. Now whenever this retracement gets over or around resistances, say around 20,100 or 20,300, which are the Fibonacci retracements, that should act as a resistance, and traders should initiate short positions around resistances of 20,100 to 20,300. On the chart of Bank Nifty as well, yes, today it has closed in the positive. However, we feel that the selling pressure should emerge, and we are observing 5-wave declines on major stocks like State Bank of India from PSU space, ICICI Bank from the private space. So all these have good trade setups, and we feel that this bounce, once it is over, the fall should be most likely in these heavyweight counters, which would drag the Nifty even lower. So we continue to maintain negative stance on Bank Nifty as well. So 20,100, 20,300 are resistances, and 19,390 and 19,180 are crucial supports. So overall, from the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Yes, today the market has closed in the positive. However, we feel that this bounce, whenever it gets over or at resistances, traders should look for signs of weakness, say a hourly negative close, and traders should initiate short positions. These are very crucial trade setups that are emerging in the markets, and very easily executable. So it should be now on the downside, and at resistances traders should initiate short positions. Crucial resistances for Nifty is at 9017 and 9063. support is placed at 8916 and 8790. So that's all for the day. Thank you.